Momentum mastery. What to do when momentum is gone. Momentum will fade. That's normal. Loss of momentum isn't failure, it's feedback. When you lose momentum, think this is your time to explore and get feedback from external parties and yourself. You were in that flow state momentum, going hard, 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 not really paying attention to everything else, locked in, zoned in, flowing. But once you're out of that, this is your time to look around. Get the feedback you need to go harder next time, to level up for even more growth coming soon. Restart small. Don't overwhelm yourself. Momentum returns through simplicity. When getting back into it, start small. Don't go too hard too soon. It puts so much pressure and possible anxiety and stress, which we don't want. So do simple, small tasks to get the ball rolling, and eventually you'll get locked in flow state, in momentum. Remove pressure. Pressure delays restart. We need to be clear and creative and be ourselves. Remember your deepest why, your goals, and take action when it feels right to you. When the moment comes that you're ready to lock in, and you'll just flow simply on your time, on your schedule. Your mind, body, and soul will let you know. Don't force it. Don't put pressure on yourself. Focus on one task, one win, and everything will just follow. Focus on one thing, because when you focus on too many things, that's when stress happens. So let's make it so simple and so easy. Just pick one task to focus on and allow nature to do what it does best. One task. The momentum reset. Start with one small action. Think about it and write this down now. Here are some affirmations for you to use. I restart without judgment. Small actions rebuild momentum. Progress resumes gently. Restart calmly. Video 6, Momentum Mastery. Life happens. Situations like this are completely normal. No one's in momentum every single day for the rest of their lives. It just doesn't work like that. It comes in waves. So because of this, use each phase wisely. Always speak and think positively about yourself. You are doing amazing. Use this time to reflect and get feedback. Then when your body and mind says it's right, get back into flow state and go hard. You're doing amazing, and I'm proud of you, and I believe in you. Keep going, keep learning. I love you. You got this, and I'll see you in the next one.